In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your logo with a transparent background. So I'm going to show you two different methods to do this. The first method, you need to ensure that you have Canva Pro. And then for the second method, I'm going to show you a free way of doing this. So the first thing we need to do is just open up our Canva design. And then we need to click on Share in the top right hand side. And then select Download. Now for the file type, you always need to make sure this is set to PNG. And then if you have a Canva Pro account, you can just select Transparent Background and that will automatically download as a transparent image. So you can simply click on this download button here to download your transparent image. Now if you don't have Canva Premium, then what you can do is click back on the Share button, click on Download, select PNG, and this time we're going to leave Transparent Background unchecked and press Download. Now all you simply need to do is open up a new tab and type in Remove Background Photo and hit Enter, and then head over to this website here, which is remove.bg. Then simply upload your image by clicking this button. And now once you've uploaded your image, this is going to automatically remove the background, so it's now a transparent logo. So you can just go and press Download HD, and then we can just right click on the image, press Save As, and go and save this to one of the folders on your computer. And now if I open this up, you can see we have this fully transparent image. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.